Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on a Motorola E13 phone. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft or medium hard. We need isopropyl alcohol that is 100% pure, so it will soften the dirt for us and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy such a brush and diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. If not, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off for this operation. Never clean a phone that is turned on, because you could damage it. We moisten the brush with alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the microphone opening, and we clean this opening by moving the brush over it 10 to 15 times in one direction. Then in the other direction do the same, 10 to 15 times. After that, towards the screen, about 10 times. And then in the other direction, towards the back cover, also about 10 times, to thoroughly clean the microphone. It's a good idea to repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction, so that the microphone gets perfectly cleaned and works like new. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.